Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wet dog food for senior dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+ Wet Dog Food. Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+ emerges as the top pick for senior dogs due to its tailored nutrition that caters specifically to the needs of older pets. This wet dog food, particularly the beef and barley loaf, is a standout because it is crafted with high-quality ingredients including real beef. Tailored for aging dogs, it boasts omega-6s and vitamin E to maintain beautiful skin and fur. Moreover, its balanced mineral content supports heart and kidney health vital in senior years. Made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients you can trust, this product not only meets but exceeds expectations by providing easy-to-digest components that ensure your furry friend maintains energy levels and a healthy immune system. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Senior Wet Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Senior Wet Dog Food stands out as a top choice for those looking to support the health and vitality of their aging canine companions. Made with natural ingredients, this chicken dinner with garden vegetables offers a balanced meal that respects the dietary needs of senior dogs. The inclusion of high-quality chicken as the first ingredient ensures that your pet receives the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance, which is crucial for older dogs who may start to lose muscle mass. Moreover, this product goes beyond just basic nutrition by incorporating glucosamine and chondroitin into its formula, targeting joint health, an area of concern for many senior pets. Unlike some products on the market, Blue Buffalo avoids using chicken or poultry byproduct meals and steers clear of corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, and preservatives. This commitment to quality is why we've ranked it number 2 in our list. It provides an excellent combination of taste and nutritional benefits designed specifically for seniors. At number 3, we have the Purina 1+ Classic Ground Vibrant Maturity. Purina 1+ Classic Ground Vibrant Maturity stands out as a top choice for senior dog nutrition, securing the number 3 spot on our list for its thoughtful formulation and real benefits to aging dogs. This product takes into account the unique dietary needs of older dogs, offering them a blend that's not just food but real nourishment. With real turkey as the primary ingredient, it ensures your pet gets high-quality protein to maintain strong muscles vital for their later years. Moreover, this senior dog food includes medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, aimed at boosting alertness and activity levels in mature dogs, an essential feature considering the natural decline in energy as dogs age. What sets this food apart is its commitment to zero fillers and 100% nutrition, promising that every bite your dog takes is packed with value. The addition of antioxidants supports a healthy immune system, crucial for keeping older pets vibrant and lively. At number 2, we have the IAM's Proactive Healthy Aging Wet Dog Food. Dog owners looking for the right food to support their aging pets, Health will find a solid option in IAM's Proactive Healthy Aging Wet Dog Food. This product positions itself as more than just food. It's a carefully crafted meal designed to address the specific needs of senior dogs, including maintaining muscle mass, supporting bone and joint health, and boosting the immune system. Made with slow-cooked chicken and rice, this wet dog food is not only appealing to canine taste buds, but also ensures that your furry friend gets a balanced diet tailored for their golden years. The inclusion of DHA Gold in IAM's Proactive Health aids in keeping an older dog's mental and visual sharpness intact. For those concerned about the mobility issues so common in senior pets, the added calcium, glucosamine, and chondroitin are vital minerals for preserving bone strength and joint flexibility. Each can of this healthy aging formula delivers a nutrient-rich meal that's lower in fat but high in protein and fiber. Exactly what older dogs need to stay active and happy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Wet Dog Food for Senior Dogs. Purina Pro Plan High Protein Wet Dog Food stands out as a top choice for owners seeking the best nutrition for their senior dogs. Crafted with real turkey, this formula provides the high protein content necessary to maintain an ideal body condition for dogs aged 7 and older. The absence of artificial colors, flavors, corn, soy, or wheat makes it a premium option that focuses on health without compromising taste. Its wet pate texture not only appeals to picky eaters, but also offers easy consumption for older pets who might struggle with harder kibbles. Owners rave about the visible health benefits they notice in their senior pets after switching to Purina's turkey and rice entree. From improved mobility to increased energy levels, this food supports the vitality of aging dogs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.